sehat, Mak. Ngapunten, kula dereng saged wangsul amargi tasih corona. Tapi, mengke kula tumut program sekolah naminipun Hunt Taiwan. Bibar menika kula kirim videonipun supados Mak mangertos. Mak, sampun nggih. Mengke kula sambung malih. Kula badhe bidal dateng lab. Sugeng sonten.
Dulu kan nggak kayak dulu
Hunt Taiwan was launched by Office of International Affairs of NPUSD. It consists of various positive events, so overseas students can enjoy their summer break while staying in Taiwan. In this occasion, we got the opportunity to experience the Hakka culture and the nature of Taiwan. We went to Nanzhuang township and we learned how to make leicha and mochi.
Actually, this is not the first time we made mochi because we have same kind of activity in the school. But in the school, all the ingredients were prepared by our teacher. But there we have to prepare by ourselves. Start from pounding till mix it with the peanuts powder. Actually, it's the most memorable things in the trip because I just know that pounding the dough was so tiring.
We also visit Lugang village and Nanzhuang alley. Exploring Lugang village, which has a lot of ancient buildings, made us feel like we were walking on the street in the old period of Taiwan. In Nanzhuang alley, we saw a diverse of food were being sold. Then we had lunch in one of local restaurants. We continue our trip to Township Hakka Culture Park and we learned a lot of things about Hakka culture. In ecotourism field trip, we went to Kenting National Forest Recreation Area, also National Museum of Marine Biology and Aquarium. Witnessing the beauty of the forest and the sea of Taiwan is a valuable experience.
In my life, I really come to the sea or the beach, so I think it was a good experience for me because I could see various sea creatures there. But what I like the most was jellyfish part because they put like in the jellyfish tank so the jellyfish can glow in the dark. I think it was pretty awesome.